Alright everyone, so a little trick I see in a video of a guy doing was for fake spot weld. So I've done it once or twice. I'm going to try it again and I'm just going to share it with you just to see. Hopefully it works out, but maybe you can give it a shot. Try it out. Worked out well for me once before, so fix up some filler. This is a Tesla Model Y. You do plug welds along here, so obviously you want to get it nice and smooth. I'm just using 3M Platinum Plus here. So yeah, just try and get this on as smooth as you can. Okay. Trick is a pencil with the eraser on it. Stick it in. Pull it out. A little wipe. Now when we sand that, hopefully we just have little circles left over. We'll sand it and then we'll do another video show you the outcome. Okay, so filler's gone off. My apprentice there, John, sanding it down. Let's go have a look at the next stage. Okay, so as you can see, just rubbing it down with a block, bit of 120 on it. What we'll do is we'll get this down, get the edges nice, and then I'll show you the end result. You can already see it. Looks good. Okay, there we go. She's all sanded down. Stick some primer over that and get some paint on it. What I'll do is I'll attach a video of another car done, because obviously I don't have this painted yet. I've done a white Model 3 with this and I have the results there, so I'll play that now. But yeah, it's a simple idea and confuses the next body man. There she is, all sanded. What I will do is just tidy this area with a panel wipe, wax and grease remover. But yeah, hopefully now when that's painted, it will look like that. Anyway guys, sorry about the short video this week, but there you go. That is the outcome of a Model 3 I done there, a white one. Red one is in the paint shop right now, but just a little trick. Give it a bash, see what you think about it. Let me know in the comments how you get on.